friends, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Sorry I haven't been able to upload videos because I have been back to my hometown, Sichuan, Chengdu. I met up with friends and family and I had the most incredible food there. One of the most memorable experiences for me was a vegetarian buffet. And in that buffet, I had so many different kinds of vegetarian food, and I would love to share some of the recipes from there to you guys soon. And also, I have the best hot pot, Sichuan hot and sour noodle soup, and Sichuan liang mian, which is cold noodles with shredded chicken. So everything was amazing, and if you want to see some of my short videos, I've uploaded to my Instagram and also on my YouTube. So today I want to show you guys how to make Sichuan boiled beef, aka 水煮牛肉. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to make 水煮鱼 and 水煮肉片, which is boiled fish and boiled pork. And for today's dish, we use a very similar and classic method in Sichuan cooking, which is 水煮, literally translates to water boiled. So if you happen to have some beef on your hand and you want to recreate that classic mala flavor from Sichuan, give this dish a try and you'll absolutely love it. Oh, hey guys, before we begin, I want to show you guys an app called Kitchen Friends app. I co-founded this app and we want to create the best food community for everyone to use. You can easily upload your recipe or find other recipes and save it to your phone. So this app is still on its very early stage and I would love for you guys to check it out. All my recipes will be uploaded on this app and you can easily save it and access it whenever you want. And it's completely free. And I would love to hear what you guys think as well. Alright, enough for the app. Let's get started.
First, let's slice the beef. Today I'm using Tenderloin. This is a relatively expensive cut, but you can totally use eye round or other lean cuts of the beef. Slice the beef into even slices, about 2 mm thick. Next, we're going to marinate the beef with some salt, Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon, ginger scallion water. Simply soak ginger and scallion slices in water to extract the aromatics. About 2 tablespoons. Add 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix and massage well. This step is very important to ensure each slice of beef soak in the moisture so that they will be extra tender after cooking. Let marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare the vegetables. Today I have beansprouts and baby napa cabbage. Celery, Roman lettuce, and celtas are also great options. Simply take out some beansprouts. Chop baby napa cabbage into smaller pieces. Set the veggies aside. Next, we're going to prepare the aromatics. Finely chop a piece of ginger. We call this size 米粒 in Sichuan cooking. Finely chop a couple of garlic cloves into a similar size to the ginger. Here we have some Sichuan peppercorn and dried chili. Cut dried chilies open with scissors or split open with your hands. Shake out the seeds. Removing the seeds helps reduce the spicy level of your peppers, because we mainly want the flavor.
Next, we're going to make the Dao Kou La Jiao, which is called knife edge chilies. We're going to roast the dried chilies and some Sichuan peppercorn together and then chop them up. This will give this dish the classic mala flavor.
In a wok, add some oil, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Drop in dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorn. Roast on low heat until chilies change color. Turn off the fire and transfer to a cutting board. Now chop the chilies with a Chinese chef knife or the largest knife you have. I highly recommend wearing gloves for this step because you don't want the spicy chilies get on your skin. Chop until they become a coarse powder. You should be smelling the beautiful aroma from the chilies and Sichuan peppercorns as well. Set the knife-edge chili powder aside. In a wok, add some oil, drop in the vegetables. Stir and add some salt. Mix until vegetables are 90% cooked. Add to the bottom of a large serving bowl. Wipe the wok clean and add cooking oil again. Add Sichuan doubanjiang. Stir until fragrant. Drop in ginger and half of the chopped garlic. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder to boost the color. Now add 1½ cups of water or bone stock. Bring to a boil. Add the marinated beef slices in batches. This helps the slices cook evenly and not stick together. When the soup boils again, mix in some cornstarch water to slightly thicken the soup. Here you can see the soup is still running, but it creates a nice shiny coat on the beef. Now we can turn off the fire and add the soup to the serving bowl directly on top of the vegetables. Top with knife-edge chilies and the rest of the garlic. Heat up some oil to smoking hot and pour on top of the dish in 3 batches. This is extremely aromatic. Finish with some green onion and cilantro. Now the very classic Sichuan boiled beef is completed. When you pick up one slice of the beef, it should be covered with aromatic chili oil. And the beef is extremely tender in this dish because of the marinade. You've got to make this one for your next party.
Alright guys, now our favorite part, the taste test. This smells and looks just so amazing, that classic mala flavor and smell. Look at that. The beef just looks so juicy and so soft and tender, and it's covered with the knife-edge chilies. It smells so good. So perfect and so good. If you're craving that special mala flavor from Sichuan, give this recipe a try. It is so good. Everyone will love it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions or comments about this recipe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new delicious videos. Thanks so much for hanging. I'll see you next time.